Hello guys, welcome to my course. I would be your instructor for the entire duration of this course. Before I proceed ahead with the lectures, I quickly wanted to take a minute or more to introduce myself. My name is Ashish and I have over 2 decades of experience working in various blue chip companies. I am a computer engineer, I am a data science expert, and also I have been teaching students since last 15 odd years. I have worked in the companies like General Electrical, JP Morgan Chase, Hewlett Packard, and Cisco Systems for a very long time. Now, in this session or in this lecture, we would be talking about deep learning, machine learning, neural networks, and majority of things around these. We would be talking in detail. I would not covering the content in this intro discussion, but in the forthcoming lessons, we almost will cover or touch more or less all the topics. Before I proceed, I just wanted to cover two things. Number one, I am very passionate about teaching and getting in touch with my students and being in touch with my students throughout. So feel free to reach out to me. I'm very prompt and I would be replying back. If I get a message, I would be replying back within 24 hours or so. That is point number one. Point number two is the entire course, I would be enriching it as and when my schedule allows. I would be prioritizing this course, so you will see a lot of enrichment, lot of new content being added regularly in this entire course. So stay tuned. All the best for joining me here and your participation. Welcome aboard again. Thank you so much.